Hi, welcome back to Ayana Supreme, my YouTube channel, where I do wig reviews, lock tutorials, and I have hair conversations. But enjoy this little segment because I love hair porn and I know you do too. So yes, this is another Amazon wig. The title of this wig is Body Wave Lace Front Wig Synthetic Wavy Wigs for Black Women. 24-inch long wavy black wig, synthetic hair wigs, natural color, number 6. So that's her. It is an eye part wig and it is a closure, which I kind of appreciate. That is the part, and I know you probably want me to pluck the part and make it wider and more realistic. I'm not going to. What I'm gonna do is just put a little BB cream from Maybelline in the part that is already made for me. And then I am going to put it on anyway because that's what I'm gonna do. And it's still gonna look cute, okay? Because everyone knows it's not my hair. I was able to locate a pair of scissors. It is the jagged edge scissors, and I'm just gonna clip that off, okay, and move on about my life. So let me tell you a quick story. I forgot I had this wig. This wig was purchased in February of this year. Forgot I had it. I was rummaging through my closet trying to make sense of it and put things back where they belong. And I just went through my wigs to organize them and I found this little one. So I was like, oh my God, let me see how it looks. Put it on. I was like, oh my God, I think she's so cute. Look at her. Look at her. Like, remember the hair pornography in the beginning of the video? Just so much personality. You know what I'm saying? Ignore this, okay? Ignore this part. But the wig in general itself, it is has a lot of body and movement. It moves like a natural human hair wig, but it tangles a lot like a synthetic wig, which is something that I'm accustomed to, so it really doesn't bother me too much. The only challenge is like when you're outside in the wind, it might be a little challenging. Just to maneuver that, because I did take her outside with me. I went on a date and I wore her because I loved it so much from this review. I had to take her outside with me. So you see right there, like there is some resistance, but I still think it's cute anyway. This wig is, like, at least currently, it's no more than $25 and I'd buy it again. Okay, I like this, not only the wig itself, but I also like this color. I know it comes in different colors. It has like a one with like multi tones to it and everything like that, but to me, I think this is very flattering on me color wise, and it is one of those versatile wigs where I can go to work if I, am a professional woman out here trying to make some money. And I also think that it is very cute casually as well, but like not at a party, at a club, because if it tangles, girl, like, just take it off and just wear your natural hair. I don't think it's sweat proof, you know what I'm saying? But aside from that, like just on a go, or if you have like to take some pictures and stuff like that, I think it's very, very beautiful and flattering, especially on the brown skin. Yes, I like her. And I did comb her. I liked combing her actually. Even though it was gave a lot of resistance, it still didn't like shed. It didn't have a lot of fallout and stuff like that, and it was able to take the combing, if that makes any sense. Clearly it's a synthetic wig, so it has no smell to it. I would rate this wig probably an 8 out of 10. I tried to like find out more about the brand and the company and stuff like that because I wanted to see what else they have to offer. And I didn't really get a lot. Actually, I tried to find them on Instagram and like there was nothing there. But I'm still going to drop the link to this wig below. Of course, check it out because you can still purchase it. It's definitely for me a must-have. I like it. I'm happy I found her, and I plan to wear it again. It went back in a bag, and I'm gonna wear it again, and I'll probably review it one more time to see what she's like in the summertime or any other occasion. But I think it's super cute. 8 out of 10. All you have to do is, you know, put it on. If you want to pluck it, mommy, go ahead and pluck it. That's your business. You want to brush it, go ahead and brush it. Look at the body. And it covers me completely because I do have locks beneath that. Look at the movement. Excuse me. Had to put the girls back. But anyway, I think it's super cute. I like this wig. 8 out of 10. Amazon. Despite all of that, I don't care. I don't have to run my hair through my hair. I'm a black girl. I already know what it is. Okay. I think she would be great for photography, for pictures, for videos. I just like how it falls. I'm in love with it. You know what? There is one downside to this unit. The only downside to the unit is that it has 2 combs in the front. One on the left, obviously, and one on the right as well. But it does not have a comb in the back. Had it had a comb in the back, I could be able to do a lot more. But it does have the adjustable straps in the back, which I just tightened or whatever. So when I went outside, and it was super windy. Like, it's December in New York City. Super cold, super windy. The back wasn't necessarily my issue. I wasn't concerned about it because if anything, I could just put a hat over it. Like, you know, a wig is a hat anyway. But that is the only downside that I have about this unit that I wish there was a comb in the back. And yes, I know I could sew it, but you know me, I have too many kids and I'm not doing all the extra work. Okay? Okay. I can't believe I'm going to say this, but she is probably one of my favorite units. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And tell me what you would like to see as well. If you made it all the way to the end, comment the word yellow. Okay, so I know it's real. Thank you, and I see you in the next one.